Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, duplicate the background and convert a copy to grayscale so you can isolate ink versus print. Use the channel mixer to pick the channel with highest contrast between drawn black and printed text. Then open levels or curves and push the black point down while raising the midtones. This immediately separates dark strokes from background. Once done, make sure to keep the duplicate visible and labeled so you can compare adjustments quickly and revert if needed. Next, you isolate the drawn black. Apply a threshold or select color range for near black pixels and create a mask from that selection. Combine the masked layer with blend modes. Multiply or darken will strengthen strokes, difference sometimes reveals hidden marks, and tweak opacity to balance text legibility. For finer detail, run a high pass on a duplicate, set to overlay and mask to the strokes. Alternatively, use a slight Gaussian blur before threshold to join broken ink. Make sure to toggle layers to check results. To finish, you refine edges and protect printed text. Paint on masks with a soft brush at low opacity to remove artifacts and recover letter forms. Flatten or export a copy as PNG or TIFF for archive, and run OCR if you need searchable text. If the drawn black still blends with ink or print, split channels or run a color deconvolution to isolate pigment types. This is the key troubleshooting step. Switch channels, then repeat threshold and masking until the marks separate cleanly from the underlying text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.